What is your advice for future students who are considering this postdoc research position?
The quality of the mentorship arrangement that you have with your advisor makes quite a big difference. So if your advisor isn't available, or unfortunately, some advisors don't have the most ethical approaches to science or mentorship. And so if you link up with somebody like that and maybe don't realize it up front, it can have consequences 2, 3, 4 years down the line when you need these people to kind of go to bat for you. But it's not something that people think about. Oftentimes they're just trying to get the slot that's most prestigious or in the place that they want to live. But it's like an apprenticeship type program. And so if you have a bad relationship or a relationship that's not helpful with your advisor, it's going to color the whole process. And there's a lot you have to manage. So it's nice to have somebody who feels invested in your development to be in your corner. There's a lot that happens behind the scenes. So it's nice to have somebody who is willing to advocate for you with that level above you among their colleagues. And that can make a big difference for jumping through all these hoops that you have to go through.